Have you started eating pumpkin seeds after 60 because you've heard they're good for the heart? Many people do. But what if I told you that for some older adults, eating them the wrong way can quietly worsen bloating, affect blood pressure, and reduce the very benefits they're meant to provide? Here's what's important to understand. After 60, your body handles minerals differently. Digestion slows, fluid balance becomes more delicate, and even small changes in sodium or magnesium can have a greater effect than they once did. Most people don't realize anything is wrong until the discomfort becomes a regular pattern. Today, I'll show you 3 warning signs that pumpkin seeds may not be working in your favor, and the simple adjustments that make them genuinely supportive after 60. Now, one of these signs is subtle, and many older adults overlook it for months. Let's begin. Warning. Sign number 1. Stomach pain after seeds. Here's the first red flag. You eat a handful of pumpkin seeds, and later that evening, your stomach feels swollen, not just full, but bloated, firm, and uncomfortable. You may even loosen your waistband or skip dinner because you still feel heavy. If that sounds familiar, your gut may not be handling them well. After 60, digestion naturally slows. Stomach acid declines, and food remains in the system longer. Pumpkin seeds are rich in fiber and healthy fats, which are usually beneficial, but a large handful can contain 6 to 8 grams of fiber. The National Institute on Aging has noted that digestive efficiency decreases after age 60. This means high-fiber foods often need to be introduced gradually. For a maturing digestive system, that amount can be too much at once. Instead of supporting the gut, it creates pressure. Gas becomes trapped, movement slows, discomfort lingers. This is why some people say, "These are supposed to be healthy, so why do I feel worse?" The truth? It's not the seed, it's the overload. After 60, your gut prefers consistency over quantity. The solution is simple. Start with 1 tablespoon per day. Stay there for a week. Then increase slowly to no more than 2 tablespoons daily. Chew thoroughly. Digestion begins in the mouth. Stay hydrated, as fiber needs water to move comfortably through the system. Your body still wants the nutrients. It simply doesn't respond well to excess. After 60, smaller, steady portions work better than large handfuls. Warning. Sign number 2. Tooth sensitivity, the hidden crack. Here's the second warning sign. You bite into pumpkin seeds and feel a sharp pressure in one tooth. Not severe pain, but a quick jolt. Later, cold water feels more uncomfortable than usual, or chewing on one side feels slightly different. After 60, teeth naturally become more fragile. The outer layer of the tooth, called enamel, becomes thinner over time. Gums may recede slightly, and many people have crowns, fillings, or implants. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they are quite hard. When you bite down on several at once, significant pressure is placed on one small area of the tooth. For older teeth, especially those with dental work, repeated pressure can increase sensitivity and may worsen existing microscopic cracks. A study published in the Journal of Prosthetic Dentistry found that restored and aging teeth are more likely to develop cracks when exposed to repeated force from hard foods. In simple terms, teeth after 60 do not tolerate strong biting pressure as well as they once did. There's another issue many people overlook. Small seed pieces can become lodged between teeth or along the gums. If not removed properly, they may irritate the gums and cause soreness, particularly if gum tissue has already receded. This doesn't mean you must stop eating pumpkin seeds. It means you should eat them carefully. Choose shelled seeds. Avoid biting down on large clusters at once. Chew slowly, or sprinkle them over softer foods like yogurt or porridge instead of cracking them between your back teeth. After 60, protecting your teeth is just as important as choosing healthy foods. Small changes now can help prevent bigger dental problems later. Warning. Sign number 3. The calcium trap. Bone health. Here's the third warning sign. You're eating pumpkin seeds because you've heard they're good for bones. They do contain magnesium, about 40 to 50 milligrams per tablespoon. Magnesium plays a role in bone structure, but here's what many people don't realize. Magnesium cannot build strong bones on its own. After 60, bone density naturally declines. The main mineral that keeps bones strong is calcium, not magnesium. Pumpkin seeds are very low in calcium. 1 tablespoon contains only about 5 to 10 milligrams. Adults over 60 are generally advised to consume around 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams of calcium per day. That is a significant difference. If pumpkin seeds are replacing calcium-rich foods rather than being added to a balanced diet, bone protection may not improve. There's another factor. Pumpkin seeds are also high in phosphorus. When phosphorus intake is high, but calcium intake is low, the body may draw calcium from bones to maintain balance in the bloodstream. Research published in Osteoporosis International has shown that long-term imbalance between calcium and phosphorus intake can affect bone strength in older adults. This doesn't mean pumpkin seeds weaken bones, but they are not a bone-building food on their own. After 60, strong bones require adequate calcium, vitamin D for absorption, regular weight-bearing movement. Pumpkin seeds can support overall nutrition, but they cannot replace proper calcium intake. Bone health depends on the full picture, not one ingredient. For best results, take 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. Stay consistent for at least 8 to 12 weeks. Store seeds in an airtight container. Discard them if they smell bitter or stale. Avoid late-night snacking. Consistency matters more than quantity. After 60, health isn't about doing more. It's about doing things wisely. Your body has carried you through decades of life. It deserves care, patience, and small, steady habits, not extremes. A simple adjustment today can protect your heart, your sleep, and your comfort for years to come. Take care of your body, and it will continue taking care of you.